Hello guys, today we will do another chapter from the book Treasures of English for class 8 on your demand. Let's see the chapter. We will do the answer key for unit 5 section 2, the limits of knowledge. Answer orally. Number 1, student will narrate the stories in the class. Number 2, during the reign of King Bhoj, even the poorest of the poor was a literate, whereas today in our country a very large percentage of people are illiterate. Multiple choice questions. For first one, answer is part C, Sanskrit. For second one, answer part A, Dhar. Number 3, part D, migrants. Read and answer. Number 1, the weaver prostrated himself before King Bhoj. He then recited a poem which went on like this: O king, I too write poetry, but it doesn't turn out beautiful. I am sure with effort I could write beautiful verses, O emperor, whose sandals are adorned with the jewels from the crowns of vanquished kings. Let me have your instruction. Must I write poetry, weave cloth, or leave my home and your kingdom? Number 2, she said that the road did not go anywhere, it stayed there. Only people who walked on it went somewhere. Number 3, according to the old woman, the defeated people were two. One is a man burdened with debt, and the other is the father of a child without good qualities. Number 4, match correctly. Sun and moon, travelers. Kings, Yama and Indra. Clever, grain, water. Pardesis, soul, leaf. Sadhus, modesty, contentment. Great ability, earth, woman. Number 5. The old woman knew right from the beginning that the two were King Bhoj and his scholarly guest. She also knew that they had become very proud of their wealth and knowledge, so she kept asking them simple yet difficult questions to which they had no answer. They realized that they seemed to know nothing. This way, the woman brought them back to earth. Think and answer. Number 1, Amatya zeroed in on humble weaver because he thought that the illiterate man could easily be persuaded to leave his house. Number 2, prostrating himself before the king, the weaver recited a beautiful poem in Sanskrit. The king was stunned at the literary prowess of a man they had assumed to be uneducated. So the king immediately ordered that alternative arrangements be made for the guest and rewarded the weaver. Number 3, we are King Bhoj and his scholarly guest. They used the word defeated because the old woman had asked them many questions and they had not been able to answer even one correctly. They realized that they seemed to know nothing, so they said that they were defeated. Number 4, she smiled at her success and then turned serious because she wanted to let the two know that they had been taught by her because they had become too proud of their wealth and knowledge. Number 4, the king and the scholar bowed to the old woman because they were filled with respect for her. She had helped to open their eyes to their own faults. She had made them humble. Reference to context. Part A, King Bhoj and the scholar said these words to the old woman. Part B, the speakers said these words because they were defeated by the questions of the old woman. Part C, the listener broke into a smile, then turned serious. Part D, the old woman tells them the way back to Dhar. Then the king and the scholar bow with respect to her. Word quiz. Part C, dispute. Time for discussion. Yes, education plays a very important role in a person's life. An educated person can read or write. Education not only makes a person wise but also broadens her outlook. He/she can have his own views on various topics. Thus, he/she can lead an independent life and plan her future. Listen. Number 1, China. Number 2, services. Number 3, heroes courtyard in Nanquin village. Dates 2006. Events: the Chinese president Hu Jintao met the family members of Dr. Kotnis. 1938, Dr. Kotnis was sent to China to provide medical assistance during the Second Sino-Japanese War in 1938. 1942, Dr. Kotnis died of epilepsy at the age of 32. Grammar. The passives. Part A, considered, developed, wrote, was derived, were made, was created, were used, showed, was invented. Part B, number 1, this sum can easily be done by me. Number 2, curd is made from milk. Number 3, Rima was scolded by her teacher for not completing her work. Number 4, Diwali will be celebrated by the class this weekend. Number 5, are tracking activities organized by them in every vacation. Part C, number 1, given. Number 2, forwarded. Number 3, lifted. Number 4, obeyed. Number 5, sung. Part D, number 2, the door of the almirah had been damaged by corrosion. Number 3, a road just outside his house was built by the municipality. Number 4, all the homemade buns were eaten by children. Number 5, the antique vase was broken by little Harshit as he walked through the store. Number 6, my mom was amazed at the changes when she arrived. Be word wise. Part A, archaeology, the study of ancient building and prehistoric remains. Taxidermy, the art of preparing, stuffing and mounting skin of dead animals. Pyrotechnics, the art of making fireworks. Numismatics, the study of currency. Chromatics, the science of colors. Genealogy, the science of family history. Calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting. Part B, robber, wrestler, gardener, inspector, conductor, examiner, cooler, mentor, swimmer, player, surveyor, receiver. Part C. Part C, number 1, went through. Number 2, called off. Number 3, raining cats and dogs. Number 4, keep up. Number 5, looking forward. Number 6, on cloud 9. Learn to use the dictionary. Number 1, there was a several variety of clothes in the store. Answer is variety. Several, I can do several tasks at one time. Variety, Deepak selects a variety of flowers when he wants to decorate his room. Number 2, Arun was a trustworthy, trusting man. Answer is trustworthy. Trustworthy, our neighbors are not trustworthy people. Trusting, my parents are very trusting and they allow me complete freedom. Number 3, the thief was advanced, adept in his trade. Answer is adapt. Advance, I advanced slowly as the room was in complete darkness. Adapt, she is adept at sketching and painting. Number 4, we were astonished to see the gigantic large rides in the amusement park. Answer is large. Gigantic, the dinosaurs were gigantic animals. Large, I bought a large plastic sheet to cover the car during the rainy season. Number 5, we should accept gifts with grace. Answer is accept. Accept, she accepted the prize humbly. Except, all this friend attended the annual function. Except, writing fun. Address, this is part A, and address 12 by B, Ashok Nagar, Gandhi Road, New Delhi. Then in the next line you have to write date, 23rd August 2015. Then in the next line you have to write salutation, dear Deepak. Then you have to start writing contents. Today our teacher taught us a chapter on literacy based on the slogan each one teach one. I was so impressed by the lesson that slogan. Based on the slogan each one teach one, I was so impressed by the lesson that slogan. Make up my mind to follow this slogan and devote some of my time in making at least one person literate every year. Do you think you can also join me in educating a person? I remember when I came to your house and saw your maid struggling to count the number of notes she had in her wallet. Why don't you start teaching her how to count? You can also teach her to write her name and address. I'm sure she will be grateful to you and give you her blessings. My teacher said that it's our social responsibility to eradicate illiteracy from our country if we want it to progress. I'm sure you would follow each one teach one very well. I want you to spread it wherever you go. I wish you the best of luck. Convey my regards to your parents. Do reply soon. Yours affectionately, Kavita. Literacy in Kerala. Kerala, the state has 93.91% literacy rate. Like men, women in Kerala also hold a high literacy rate, 91.98%, which is higher than any other state in India. As a result, women in Kerala enjoy a social status which is unattainable by women in other parts of the country. Of the total working class of Kerala, which is 32% of the total population, 15.3% are women. Kerala literacy rate, persons, males, females, total, rural, urban. Persons, total 90.9, rural 90.1, urban 93.4. Males total 94.2, rural 93.5, urban 96.1. Females total 87.7, rural 86.8, urban 90.9. Akshara Keralam, a project introduced in the early 90s, was initiated with the aim of bringing the maximum number of illiterates to schools. There were various schemes organized for the illiterate adults as well. Value Corner. There is a slogan, each one teach one. It speaks a lot. If we take in our care even one child who is not able to go to school and teach him the 3 rupees reading, writing and arithmetic, it will make a great difference in her life. When we teach someone to read or write, we are preparing him how to face life bravery and with confidence. She can lead a fruitful life like the narrator in the chapter, A Journey Through Desert educated the boys through stories and was able to change their life. Similarly, we can also teach at least one person and change her life. In this way, we not only help a person better her life, but also improve our society. Next exercise project, the teacher may help a student to choose the correct book which every student can understand and talk about. All the students are encouraged to take part in the discussion. The teacher may give other questions if a student finds the given questions tough. The project should be taken further by having a discussion or debate on any issue in the book. Life skill. Each one teach one. You keep this motto in mind and go out of your way to help. You chalk out a syllabus with the help of books and offer to take classes on free days to sincerely tutor the boy. The teacher may ask a student about the importance of education and what would have been their future without education. Make them aware about illiteracy and its effects on the growth of our country. Tell them that they should be thankful to their parents that they are among literate people and get educated in a good school. She should encourage them to literate at least one person every year. Thanks for watching Shabs English tutorials. Please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Keep watching. Take care. Goodbye.